Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. A jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper of Wednesday, November the 29th, 2023, almost end of the month. Today is also war day number 644. 644 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah. After this war, there's another war. Yeah. So everything has been changed. In this newspaper, we have also a medium Sudoku, regular medium Sudoku. I've already solved this a minute ago. So it's time now for the second regular puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Half of these puzzles I will solve in the evening. And yeah, let me start with this one. The jigsaw Sudoku number 7530. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. I think it's a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. No. 15 to 20 minutes for 2 stars. For 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Here another 1. More? No, only 3 of them. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. The 2 is already given, so this should be 1 and a 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. More triple boxes here? No. Then, do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? I see 2 quadra boxes, here 1 and there 1. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this big square should be here. So the 2 and the 4 are left. Here also a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, now the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me draw this shape here. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? We have here the T shape. Let me draw this. It's rotated. Alright, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4 here. More T shapes, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, then I believe the final shape, the Z or the S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this squash area should be here. So the 2 and the 4 are left. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. But we already have a 4 here in this area. So it should be a 2 then. That box should be also 2, it's connected. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square and a quite big box for number 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, it's a quadra box. Okay, then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes. Surround a 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. Well, this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Yeah. Now this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2. Yes, of course, it's connected with each other, so it should be a 2. So 1 box left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then. Well, very sleepy. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. This box can be 5. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 3 and a 5. No, 3 and no, only the 3. Yeah, we have a 1 and a 5 there. Can it be 2? Can it be 4? Yeah, definitely 3. 1 and a 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a, well, these two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this same area should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5 is connected with that box, should be 2 and the 5. But we already have a 5 here in this W area shape. So it can be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 5. Yeah. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. Oh wait, no. We already this is not correct. Can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Wow. Well, we're sleepy today. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be also 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have 5 in. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in 3 goes there. Alright. Well, we sleepy. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left. 1. No. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. Well. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. It's definitely 1. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Alright. 14 minutes already passed. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, we have a double 3 there, give me 4, yeah, double. 2 numbers left in the Z constructions for number 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes throughout 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. Is connected with that box with the 3 here. Well, we're sleepy. Well, we're sleepy. Let me drink some tea. All right, let me continue. 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4. And also 2 and a 4. It's connected with each other. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Yeah. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. So the 1 is missing now. And the 4 is missing here. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Here also 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Alright, we go up, we go up. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think so. That the 5 should be here because we already have a 5 here. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. We go down. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now. This is the 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well. Told you. Should be a 2 stars, not a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.